Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to install plugin. Plugin is very important if you want to work in fast of your project. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our QGIS. For plugin, we go to plugin, and after plugin we go to manage and install plugin, and here is plugin. We select here all and we search here if you want to plugin for creating digitizing. So please write here digitizing. Here is digitizing type plugin and you use it. If you want to more detail, you select it. Here is border focus. Here is all detail and rating and downloading. You also see here detail, and if you want to other plugin, you write here. If you want to clip related plugin, you write here clip. So here is clip related plugin and rating. You see here 1 to 1 rating. Here is rating and download and other plugin. You see here clipping related many plugin. So as per your need, you click any one. We select here clip multiple layer and we click on install plugin. Our plugin is installed. Close it. Our plugin is start. You see here right hand side, here is our clip plugin and symbol. Successful install our plugin. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.